If you're looking to start a career with real growth opportunities, customer service is a great place to begin. From retail to hospitalities, call centers to banking, healthcare, airline, and online businesses. In this video, I will show you how to start a career in customer service. Don't worry, you don't need any university degree. I will show you where to apply for jobs, how much you can earn, and how to grow in this field. So to look for, you do not need a university degree. Search for roles like customer service advisor, call center agent, call center advisor, customer support officer, inbound call handler. Most jobs provide full training, and that's the good thing about customer service. So if you are worried that I don't have the skills, I don't have the experience, don't worry. Once you get a job, you'll be provided full training. Skills employers look for. You don't need experience, but you need transferable skills. So, irrespective of the industries that you are working or you worked before, you have some experience and you have some skills that are transferable. One, we talk about clear communication, listening, and patience, basic computer skills, problem solving, professional attitude, retail, hospitality, or healthcare experiences count. So if you are working in a retail or you're working in healthcare, all the experience that you had before they count because in healthcare you're dealing with patients and in customer service too you're dealing with customers. So it's all about people relation and how to provide service to people. Qualifications and courses. I would say here it is not compulsory to have a qualification, but when you have but if you have a qualification, it is a boost on your CV. So, and if you're thinking of getting a qualification, of course you can go for it. You can go for level 2 or level 3 customer service qualification, which is the NVQ in customer service. So, pretty much means that you could have NVQ level 2 or NVQ level 3 in customer service, basic IT or Microsoft Office conflict management training, and many of these courses are online. So if you go online and search for customer service courses, there are a lot of them will pop up and go for it. Apprenticeships, work while you earn. So if you are also thinking of going through apprenticeship path, which is really good, and the good thing about apprenticeship is that you are working, you are getting trained, and you are getting paid. So great options if you want no student debt. You have the customer service practitioner level 2, customer service specialist level 3. And with these ones, mostly is the company that pays for. And because they are providing you the training that you need, they pay for that. So the benefits of apprenticeship is that and while you're learning, so whilst you are learning and training, you're getting paid. And it's a recognized qualifications. It gives you a real work experience and also is a pathway to promotions. And those of you are wondering how do I get into apprenticeships? Go online, search for apprenticeships in customer service. A lot of them will pop up, apply, and once you get it, they'll provide you the training. You're gonna get paid whilst you're learning. Where to apply? Search for customer service advisor jobs on Indeed, Read, Total Jobs, NHS Jobs for admin or call centers, local councils, utility companies like the energy, telecoms, and water. And also, you can also look for customer service advice jobs with the banks. Search for keywords like customer service advisor, training provided. And if you don't find the ones that says training provided, don't worry. Once you get a customer service advice job, the company will provide you the training that you need. Interview tips. Once you're able to land an interview, these are the things that interviewers are looking for. Speak clearly and be very, very confident. because they want to see your communication skills and they want to see the level of confidence because you'll be communicating with customers all the time. Show empathy and problem solving. So use examples from your retail or past work. Highlight reliability and teamwork. So let them know that you are very reliable and you are a good team player. Salary expectations. Your customer service advisor should be looking around 28,000 to 33,000 pounds. And a senior advisor is between 29,000 and 36,000 pounds. And if you become a team leader, you should be looking around 30,000 to 42,000 pounds. All depends on your industry and location. So, an example, if somebody lives in London, there's most likely that he's going to earn more because of the living expenses as compared to somebody who lives in Liverpool or Manchester. Career progressions. So there is opportunity in customer service. Yes, you can progress to senior advisor, a team leader or supervisor, quality analyst as a trainer. You can also go into HR, admin, or into operations. Key advice to succeed: be punctual and reliable, learn systems quickly, stay calm under pressure, ask for development opportunities. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.